Okay.
I'm just on the Ardingworth Road.
Are you? I'll see you shortly. You can tell me what my challenge is then.
Okay.
Shortly.
Okay, bye-bye.
So you brought me to this car park.
Yes.
You told me meet me here.
Yes.
I have no idea what's going on. What have you got lined up for me?
We're going to attempt.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
5k.
Okay.
Because we're going to do, as part of this program, we're going to do Couch to 5k.
Yes.
So by the end of it,
Yes.
I'm not going to make you run.
Where are we walking?
I know you hate running.
Yes. Where are we walking?
This Brampton Way.
Right. So we're starting here.
Yes. But we're starting at the beginning.
Okay.
We're starting at the beginning.
We have got a driving lessons in about 2 hours' time.
Yes.
So you're gonna drive out to Harborough?
Yes.
So that's about 5k, isn't it, at least? Yes. So if you don't do it, I miss my lesson, I lose money. Well. We lose money.
No, because I'm going to do it. I'll make it.
Oh, you're going to leave me behind?
You.
So here we are then. We're off back to Harborough.
Back to Harborough and walking back to your car.
Brilliant. I wonder what Danny's doing today.
Yes, Danny. What are you doing today?
Just a thought.
Yes.
What's one of your phobias? Have you actually thought this pathway through, or did you just look at it on Google and guess there's a nice footpath from here to here?
I am going to. Well, I thought that's a mini challenge for me.
What? Explain the mini challenge, because I think you.
I don't know how long they go on for.
Yes.
But the tunnels.
Yes.
Yes.
You're not very good with the dark.
I'm not. I feel I'm very, very claustrophobic.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm probably going to run through that as fast as I can.
I would suggest that's a bad idea.
Oh.
Have you never been down there before? You just
Never.
you just looked on Google. That's a good place to go. 5k.
Yeah.
A to B. It's a footpath. It's a public footpath. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay. You know how you're full of surprises.
Yeah.
I think Brampton. I think Brampton Valley. I think the footpath might have a few surprises of its own.
No, I'm going to be brave.
Yeah.
Yes, beautiful.
There we go. Right then. That'll commence.
Yes. So
Right.
this.
Right, come on. Keep up.
How long is it?
To the car park?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
that
now
you
we're
told me.
walking back to the car,
Yes.
to your car.
Yes.
Yes. Let's see. So the time is 10:35.
There's money on the clock here. So, apologies to Kate in advance if I don't do your lesson.
If he's late, he's either passed out or just a bit delayed.
Yeah, Danny, if you're watching this, mate.
So it's been 2 minutes, and Richard's throwing his stinky socks at me because he put on socks that are too thick, and he's already complaining that his feet
Oh, that's better.
are hurting.
It's like having an anaconda on his feet, that was.
10:55. It's been 25 minutes
Very good for walking.
walking,
Quite
and
briskly, I would say.
no, I feel like the pace might lessen soon.
No, it won't.
We've done 1.4 kilometres.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
It's quite a.
it's nice though, isn't it?
Yeah,
And it's nice weather so far.
quite scenic.
Might rain in a minute, but it's okay.
Imagine the railway, the old steam trains coming down here.
I know, it would have been beautiful, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So, Rebecca,
Yeah.
this is not the tunnel. This is just.
This is just a bridge.
You can cope with that. Does that,
Right next to-
so that makes you feel a bit queasy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's quite pretty actually, that.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is a much better way of getting fit than going down Snap Gym or somewhere and grunting away. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Cool, son. One more. Spot me. I got it. Oh, for goodness sake.
How long does this go on for?
The tunnel? About. Oh, spoil the surprise.
You're gonna see tears rolling.
This is the. You really don't like the dark, do you?
No, I don't like small spaces. I really don't like
Oh.
small spaces.
Yeah, I'm okay with those.
It's okay. No, I can see the end. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. I can see the end.
Not so bad, is it?
It's not so bad. It does look quite dark though. I feel like as well it's going to be longer than it looks.
You think?
It's deceiving, isn't it?
Yeah.
See, my mind's already putting me in a place of like, as soon as I go into that tunnel, I'm going to keep walking at the end, and the end's just going to keep getting further away like a nightmare.
Is it a bit longer now?
Yes!
Okay, then.
Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. It's dripping from the ceiling. Okay. This is really freaky.
Okay, what I'll do. You
I
hold
really
that.
don't like it.
Okay, you have the. Okay, you don't really.
No, I really don't.
What I'm
like
gonna
it.
do. There you go.
Oh, this is actually taking everything in me to walk through this. So yeah.
Okay.
Oh my. Something out of a zombie apocalypse. This is disgusting. I hate this. Oh my god, I'm so cold. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, she's gonna cry. So
Right, just follow the torch. Here we go.
okay. Oh my god.
It's 420 foot. Yards. Not
I
foot.
feel like I can't breathe.
Okay, alright, you're doing well. Okay. Just one step at a time. I forgot to tell you there's a footpath that goes over the top of it.
Oh, you are joking. No, like you're actually having me on. Are you lying?
Yeah, disabled access and everything.
Oh my god.
I forgot to say that. I knew it was something I meant to mention.
Don't with me. It's dripping on my. This is like hell. This is actual hell.
Let's have a look at us.
No, don't. I've got tears rolling down. I've watched too many scary movies. I just feel like I'm going to turn around and something's going to be running at me.
Right there. Oh, you got a nice surprise in the middle here.
Oh.
Well, the good news is we're further in than we are behind. Let's have a look.
What is that?
That is.
What is that? Because tell me that's not like something out of an alien film.
It's a bit like Nemesis up
Yes.
Old Towers, isn't it?
That's disgusting.
I think it's ironstone.
What if this whole thing just collapsed?
Well, it's been here for about since 1800 and something.
Exactly.
So probability, it might stay here for 5 more minutes. And the Victorians knew things about building. It wasn't built by Red Row, was it, or anything like that? Now look here, look.
Oh.
Right, you hold that.
Okay.
Look, you got a picture here.
It's the noise it's making. Oh, you look like Jesus.
Look up.
Oh my god.
Look at that. That's like the depths of hell, isn't it, we've come to?
It literally is. Imagine being stuck down here. See, these are all the thoughts that go through my mind.
Come on, abseiling down there. Not giving you any ideas.
What is that noise? Is that the echo?
Yeah. So you're boldly going ahead of me now?
Yes, because I'm so good again. Is there another one?
Yes. Stay on the Rex. You seem to be walking faster and faster. Yeah, well done. With all seriousness, well done. It's even like the gates of hell itself, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Stop.
I will gladly never go through that again in my life. That was awful. So,
We've had a problem.
Richard picked up the wrong shoes, so we're now barefoot because he's got blisters.
And he's the 2 sizes too small.
So we're walking on with the mud squirting.
Honestly, I couldn't take another step because you don't want to look at the. Anyway, there's blisters the size of postage stamps. In actual fact, it's more comfortable like this.
We've got so many puddles.
We've got about a mile to go. Oh, come on, let's do this. Come on, let's do this.
You're nearly finished. Oh. Okay.
How many K is it?
What left?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Oh god. It's like a foot bath, you might as well bloody walk through it.
Really?
Oh. Oh my god, I actually can't breathe. It's been 5 minutes since you started your barefoot mission.
Is that what it is?
Yes, so we'll see. Anyway, it's very healthy.
Is it?
Yes.
I feel like I've joined some sort of religion where the last 2 miles you had to do crawling, a bit like in Breaking Bad. I'll say. I'm laughing in the face of pain.
Yep. This is it. I would say there's a reward at the end, but there isn't.
There is no reward, is there?
No, it's just you get
Just
to go.
about to get slightly fitter. Whose idea was this? Danny? Danny, I hate you.
It's brilliant for my entertainment.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Mosquitoes here now as well. I don't get this.
Mind the stinging nettles. Oh, do you know what? I walked through these puddles and I can't feel a thing.
I'll just pull out very quickly.
Do you want to watch? Oh, look at that.
There is a vague possibility I could fall out substantially
Yeah.
and rapidly.
Yeah, but do you want to win?
Of course I want to win.
There you go. That's what it's all about.
Yeah, but at what cost?
You're determined now.
I'm sure when you gave me that grid reference to meet you at and location, I'm sure it was nestled between the 2 tunnels.
Okay, we'll see.
And either ha ha ha.
There's a cappuccino at the end.
Is there?
I have had quite a laugh actually with you walking with your shoes off for the rest of the way.
Yeah. How many more weeks of this have you got? Is it another 9?
9.5.
9.5. Great.
Yeah.
What you got for me for next week then?
Do you want to know that now?
Probably not.
No.
I might turn back if I do. That's a surprise.
Surprise!
Someone's moved the car.
Hopefully your blisters have settled down by then.
Oh yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
I've had worse.
Yeah.
I think he's going to catch on this. I bought the wrong boots, didn't I? And these are 3 sizes too small. And as a consequence, halfway through, I realised the 3 sizes too small. My ankles and this is not that decided to realise. We've got a car here. And that warm bowl of soapy water.
Yeah, that's it.
Some wet wipes.
Oh. Do you want some wet wipes?
Please, I do. I've got a packet in the car.
Oh yeah, get those. Oh, there you are.
Thank you.
There's a bottle of gin. Oh, there's not a bottle of gin, is it? You're almost
A bottle of gin.
I know. There's a popper at the corner. Bet you so. Have a lovely walk.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
Right, get that camera. Now then.
Look at that. What a nice surprise at the end there.
Lovely people.
Now you get to wash your feet.
Oh my goody aunt. Where's blisters?
I know, they're really
Have a
sore. No.
No, have a look.
Oh my god.
That's raw,
Oh
isn't
my
it?
god, that is really... Ugh. You done it? You completed it?
Yay.
Yeah.
At what cost? Right, beat that, Danny.
Yes, Danny. Danny, what have you done today? What have you done today? Because it's got to beat walking. How many kilometres was it in the end?
5. Wasn't it?
5 kilometres.
5 long ones.
No, barefoot.
What's your final thoughts then?
I'm fine. How are your feet?
My feet are absolutely treacherous.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Don't eye up the chips. We're only here for coffee.
I know.
We're here, no carbs, coffee only.
Yeah, look at the food they're serving here.
I know it
Oh, it's
smells
really-
amazing.
This
as
is
well.
like bringing, honestly, it's like bringing Dracula to a blood bank, isn't it? It really is. It's like, oh man. Look, it's nice here, look.
It is.
Very nice. There we go, we deserve that, don't we?
No.
So look, this is how good I am being. That, I love.
Yeah.
You can have it.
And I'm.
Yeah, well, there you go. Well, sort of successful day. My feet would beg to differ.